Alright. Right moment. Pleasant evening, breadwinner fans and master designers out there. Tonight we're gonna draw t-midi, otherwise known as Thelonious Midi, from Breadwinners. Thelonious Midi, otherwise known as t-midi, is one of the Breadwinner's top customers. One of his favorite loaves of bread is basically a clammy brioche. And on the Lower East Side, they call him Muscle Daddy. He even has a rare and precious bread collection. The Breadwinners once tried to bring back wolf head bread. Now that's interesting to look at. The Breadwinners ended up in the Wall of Grain fame after they got this bony pony bread. I never realized it was that rare. Here we draw the feathers. It's basically pillow shaped. Like Thelonious Midi always said, laughter is always the best medicine. Breadwinners was one of my favorite Nickelodeon shows back on 2014. That was when Mixels was released. And by the way, it's t-midi who's singing this soundtrack in the background. Hoot hoot hurrah! And by the way, he's the winner of a famous reward known as a Crusto. You guys like Crusto? It's a powerful treasure. I know, right? I don't know what kind of, how many rare breads are out there, but I feel like t-midi knows them all. Especially the rare switcheroo bread, which they were warned not to eat. And finished. There we go. That's how you draw t-midi. To find out more on how to draw Breadwinners and all the characters, leave a comment below on which one of them you want me to draw next. Plus, I have a playlist on all the Nickelodeon characters you have interest in. Anyways, I'm proud you all got to see me draw this character. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.